Hey guys, welcome back. So we got here the motorcycle carrier. It's welded up, painted up, and it's got a little bit more durability put into it. So that was the goal for today, for this episode of Dan's Tiny Garage. I want to put lights along the back side here, and I got some LED lights. I got to do the wiring on the Bronco, and I think she'll be good. So you know, as you get older and you're not as well, you're just not 18 anymore, and maybe like those longer trips on a motorcycle aren't as comfortable anymore, and maybe you got physical limitations. You know what? If you go into a motorcycle rally, yeah, I used to be so proud that I rode to the rally. I didn't trailer the bike. Who cares anymore, you know? And if you got physical limitations, you know, that's what it is. But at least you're out there, you're still doing it. And it's good to stay in the game. It's good to be able to do what you love, and if you do make adjustments along the way to make things a little bit more comfortable for you, there ain't nothing wrong with it. So anybody who says nay, or the youngsters out there that are the naysayers, oh no, you gotta ride your bike, you know, whatever, yeah, go ride it, have fun, enjoy it. Everybody enjoys their stuff their own way. Guys, let's go over some tools, parts, and materials. First of all, you need your glasses if you're like me. That's the number one thing, so you can see what you're doing. And then we got to figure out some stuff, right? We're going to be welding. We're going to figure out how thick our metal is. We got that little gauge there. We have some juice here to clean up our work, and some lint-free cloths, which they say it's lint-free. I don't know the truth of that. Let me turn these fans off just in case you're having trouble hearing me. Sometimes people can't hear what the heck I'm saying. Sometimes I watch the videos and I can't hear what I'm saying. Anyways, so let me start over. Tools, parts, and materials. Glasses, so we could see what we're doing. A gauge to figure out what thickness our metal will be that will be welding. We have some juice to clean the metal, and some lint-free cloth. Lint-free cloth. And there's no extra charge for the lint. Ha ha ha. Cell phone. We'll need a cell phone, because I'm going to show you a little something snazzy on the cell phone app. And then, of course, our welder. I have an Eastwood Elite 250i. It's a multi-process machine. We will be using MIG today, boys and girls. We have 7525 in the bottle. That's 75% argon, and then 25 CO2. And That's it. The wire size you're going to need to know. So let's see if we can figure it out. Well, there's no label on that roll spool of wire. It is pretty clean though, so that's good. Haven't used it in a little bit. So let's see what size nozzle we got. It's going to set you right over here. I'm going to take this off. That comes off. That's not too bad. It's not too dirty in there. And then your electrode nozzle on the nozzle here. Usually they're stamped with what size they are. Yep, 030. 0.030 is the wire size. Just get a better look and double check it. 030, 035. Looks like an 030, so we'll go with that. It's pretty clean. Put that back on there like that. So our welder's good to go. So let's get to figuring out how to set the welder up, okay? Because not everybody knows how to figure it out. Some people think, oh gosh, it's so difficult because you need years of experience to know how to set up a machine. Not really. Let me let you in on a little secret. Like I said, we need to figure out how thick our metal is. Alright, so let's see. Yeah, there we go. 0.140, 0.125. I could force that on there, but you don't want to force it. So the 0.140 is nice. 0.150. See that? You don't want that. You want that. It's got a tiny little bit. There's, you know, paint and stuff on there still on this side maybe. That's gonna change your thickness, but the 0.140 is the best. And so when you come over to your welder, most welders have this nice little chart. And so our process is MIG. Hopefully you're gonna be able to read all this. This is really small stuff. There's TIG and there's ARC. So we're gonna be on MIG. And let's see, it's so small. Alright, so what's the material? It's steel. So we're looking at these two here, and then no, we're not flux core, we're the wire. And then, so we're on this line, and this is the wire sizes right here. Wire sizes right there. And I said we're 030. And where's 030? My God, I can't read nothing. It's so small, you guys. This is why you need a cell phone. And then you turn your camera on. And you snap a picture. And then you bring the picture up. And then you can explode it. So 030 at 75/25. You see it there? Golly. 75/25, 030, and then the gauge of 1.140. So we're going to set it at 22 at 215. So down here you have your voltage. That's going to be 22. And this is your wire speed, and that's going to be 215, I think we said. So 216 is close enough for what we're doing. Going to wrap it up for this episode of Dan's Tiny Garage. We got it welded up, painted up, and I'll shut up now. So, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're doing it well. So, that's all for this episode.